again, and I'm having to go wash the comforter and the blanket. I have extra sheets, but I don't have an extra comforter and blanket, so I'm just going to do all the laundry. But anyway, I was noticing as I'm driving into town early this morning, look at that fog over there. It's just kind of hanging in the valley. Isn't that cool? And it was very, very damp this morning when I woke up, which is unusual for the desert. It's been that way all week. I thought it was just because of that rainstorm that came through the other day, but it's still very humid and very damp, of course, which increases my pain level. But, you know, at this point in my life, I've had non-stop pain, I don't know, I guess 20 years. And I kind of tend to try to keep busy and ignore it. But isn't that beautiful, that fog just hanging over the valley like that? I just think it's really, really pretty. I wanted to show that to all of you. I am at the laundromat in Quartzsite, the one that's right on the main drag across from the Roadrunner Market. I have used a different laundromat before in Quartzsite, but I like this one much better. First of all, they're cheaper. Second of all, they have many, many, many more machines, and that is awesome. And then an added bonus, there is a restaurant right next door. And since I left so early this morning, I decided to go there for breakfast. And I had a $5 breakfast that was very delicious. I had French toast. When I get an opportunity to have French toast, I have that opportunity. Of course, I've never had French toast as good as what Rico used to make me. He used to make it for me on my birthday and on Valentine's Day. But it was good. It was really good. And it was $5. It was amazing. So, yeah, I highly recommend this place if you are in Quartzsite. And there's plenty of parking, as you can see, for RVs and big vehicles. So, I really, really highly recommend this laundromat over any others in town. And I don't know what the name of it is. Oh, they also have showers here. And they're $8 a person. So it would actually be cheaper in the long run if there's a couple to go to one of the truck stops, because those are usually $12 and you can shower together without paying extra. They're finished with their laundry. I've got everything in the dryer, so I probably have about another 40 minutes of drying time because I had to wash the comforter, which is huge. That takes forever to dry. So then I'm going back to camp, and I'm going to make the bed and go back to sleep because I have been up since 3:30 this morning. Thanks, Jack. I am having a problem with my water heater. The switch is on, but there's no ignition sound. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to come over here and I'm going to check my breakers. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try it again. No ignition. Okay. Jack, you want to help me? You want to help me? So now we're going to come outside and open up the water heater and see what we can see. So I have checked everything, cleaned everything, blown it with air, and nothing is happening. So I'm thinking maybe one of these fuses is blown, but I don't know how to check them. So I am going to have to wait until someone with more knowledge can help me. It's annoying. Have to heat water to wash dishes, and I had to go in town and take a shower because I can't take a cold shower. It's too painful. So I keep hoping just will magically repair itself. Got to do some magic bus renovations here. I'll keep you posted. So my friend Richard is here trying to help me troubleshoot. I think it might be the, what is that box?
Ignition controller, igniter controller.
And so he's pulled it off, which I couldn't figure out how to do. Now he's trying to figure out how to clean it, because it said to clean it.
Instructions right there on the box.
Remove and clean connections to circuit board, spark and flame sense probes before replacing. Okay.
I don't really see anything dirty. We'll hit it anyhow. Ain't getting much off of it. I think that one came out of my head, that cobweb. Alright, I think we're good.
Do you want me to blow out the box?
Here, well, yeah, you're going to have to. Want me to hold that?
No, I got it. Man, this stuff comes out like ice.
Telling me, my hand was there.
I know. I did it to myself earlier. Putting it back together.
You gotta slide it behind your taps. They're on all four sides. Two on each side. Make sure you don't bend anything on your wafer board, which that's what that is.
The green thing.
Yes, ma'am. It's not wanting to go in that way. We always know the knot goes behind the shell.
Okay. I'm getting in the...
Get that knot back there again.
And of course, Jack, ready for me to throw that. He's just waiting patiently.
There we go.
Okay.
And we're ready to go back up on the wall.
And I've got the screw right here. You have to clip that thing back on, right?
Yeah, let's get our sensor leads back on.
There's that. Okay.
There we go.
My dad used to call me his tool monkey.
Somebody's got to start somewhere. That's where I started. All right, hold on. This is going to sink in that driver. I've got the right bit to do it. Should be. I hope. That's the wrong one.
My fingers are a little smaller than yours. You want me to try?
Got it, I think. I hope. You believe I did?
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. Love that saying.
Yeah, I do too.
Come on. There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay. It's on.
It's on? Well,
Yeah.
You still need to hold it back down because the thermal bulb got to pick up the temperature, and the pilot will not stay lit until you're holding it down, and I'll tell you to release it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
It's got to pick up the temperature off that thermal bulb. Tell the pilot it's lit.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, hold it down.
Jack still wants to throw.
Did it stop by itself or you?
No, it's on.
Okay. Might be lit.
No, because I hear it when it's lit. I hear it inside.
Oh, okay.
It's not lit.
All right. Try to hit it once.
Okay.
Yeah. It's gotta be the module.
Okay. Well, that's about a $70 fix.
Thermostat. Right there. It goes up here. That'd be the igniter module, ignition module. Could be this too, though. No, that's all on its own.
Do you smell gas when I turn it on?
No, I didn't smell anything.
Well, then I wonder if it's not the gas line clogged.
Well, that's where it would stop the first time. If it's out of level, that's where it would stop it.
Yeah, but I mean, it was out of level and working fine.
Yeah, well, the ball might have been stuck. Might have knocked it loose.
So how do we check that?
Sensor. Follow the line, find out where the level indicator is, which I think might be right here. I don't know.
Well, I was watching
I would
YouTube
have to look
videos.
at it. Huh?
And I was watching YouTube videos and they said something about a reset switch, but I didn't see a reset switch anywhere in here.
No. Alright, if I light up, just pull my head back and read what my eyeballs say, alright?
Okay.
Alright. I don't find no reset.
Yeah, I didn't either. I think this is too old to have a reset. Probably all the YouTube videos I was watching were on newer RVs. Their water heater systems were newer.
Yeah. If relief valve wipes, weaves. That's all true. Well, we don't know if the relief valve does or doesn't. We don't hear anything. Don't see anything. And there's our gas coupling right there. Yeah, these are just standard pressure fittings up to your forward tank. How much propane you got?
I got plenty.
Okay.
I just filled it the other day when I went in town.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, everything else works on propane. It's just this is not working.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for trying. So you hear that beautiful sound? That is the sound of my water heater working. So I watched a couple more YouTube videos after Richard was over here messing with it, and I don't know if it was something he did or something I did, but this was loose. So I just shoved it all the way in. And I went inside and turned it on, and bam! So, hallelujah, we have hot water.